¿Qué comes? Mmm. ¿Un broche o 2 broches? ¿Y dónde está el otro? Where's the other broche?
It's gone.
¿Dónde está?
It's gone, Mommy.
Where is it?
It's in my tummy.
Ah.
Oh, but it's okay, Mommy.
Okay. Rennie's okay. Are you going to eat the other broche?
Hey, baby, I will go home.
You want to go home? Are you going to do clean up of your hagosla? What are you eating for breakfast?
It's ready.
It's Rennie.
It's taking a picture of me.
You want to do tickle tickle on Rennie's toes?
Okay.
Okay.
Wait. Happy baby baba, baby baba, baby baba, baby baba, baby baba, baby baba, baby baba. It's one of the babies with foot.
Ah. Hey, gentle, gentle.